Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. So right now I'm in our shops. It's a Thai shops, and that is in Dhaka. I've come with my senior brother, and this early morning I have spent over 2 hours still here, and also I'm going to visit different places and to make different kind of video. This is one of them, and this is a Thai shops, and I already made a video for this company, and it was uploaded very soon. I will share my video on YouTube post. You will see that very soon also. But in all of them, you will get different things. Many people are afraid to speak in a public place. So how can we speak properly in this video? So this is the second time. Like 4 months ago, I came here to make video, but that was not a little bit good. And after a long time later, I have come here again, and this is another good experience, because when I make a video, there is a lot of people like on a bank manager come here, and my focus segment, they were listen to me properly, and this is one of them. And many people are very afraid to understanding, and especially the beginner person cannot speak properly, how to start speaking, how to start how to speak public place. So from experience, so how can you start this? So from my experience, I want to say that you have to start. So when you make a video, when you speak on camera, when you speak someone in public place, you should focus on only one thing. So if you focus surroundings at the beginning time, you will be you will get shyness, you will be afraid, you will be broken. You're speaking, you must stuck in your speaking. So you never think about that. So you have to think cool way, cool mind, and it's easily. So yes, it's very good. Okay, I will just talk specifically. I'm giving some example. Like you think like surrounding, there is some people. Actually, not only I am staying on the chair in these shops. The employee have gone to have their lunch already. So that's I'm giving some like one example. Like you think this is a sunglass shop. So this is a sunglass. So I have come here to the shops to make to buy a sunglass. So first of all, what will you say? You will just say like you will meet the manager or the seller. So hello, sir, how are you? So you ask the name. Okay, that's it. So I have come here. So how to start the conversation? I have come here to buy sunglass, because I need a sunglass I want to wear. So how can I purchase this? So you can ask me what classes of sunglass do you sell? The customer will show you, and customer or the seller will show you different kind of sunglass. Like you think this is sunglass. Like finally, after choosing lots of sunglass, I have chosen this sunglass. So I asked, okay, I like this sunglass, its frame is good. So how much this sunglass? You can ask this, or you can say in different what is price is this actually, and actually more things you will say this. So you say how much is this? Just one is 300 taka, and also other things you can do something more. So like this way you can share your sunglass price. So in this way you can really develop your speaking power and something more this. So I hope this video you have developed your things and more things. So goodbye for this video. I have learned many things and how to speak public place. So goodbye for now. Assalamu alaikum.